have a little thunderstorm going on here. Jeez, it's getting loud. Whoa! Oh man, it's raining hard. Oh, the wind's picking up like crazy. Wow. Gee, it's like really, you know, serious out here. Wow. It's not that bad out here, surprisingly. Ah, stop honking. Yeah, no protesters out today, I can bet. Wow. I got that on video and I can't believe how big that was. Honestly, the thunder I really don't really care about. It's just the lightning. Lightning can be kind of scary. Especially if you're, out at the wrong time. Ugh. I don't want to get wet. As soon as like a big old, scary lightning bolt, strikes, I'm closing this window. I'm going right to bed. Go back to watching YouTube for a little bit till I fall asleep. Some people might think it's scaring me. Yeah, nothing really to be afraid of when you're inside. It's just if I was outside, I'd be kind of scared. A little bit. I'm not really scared of lightning as much. Well, I'm not really scared of thunder, but I am scared of the lightning. Lightning scares me a lot because, you can get struck by lightning at night. Oh my god, the wind's really kicking in. Yeah, the lightning kind of scares me. Holy moly. Oh my gosh. This is going to be loud. Oh gosh, it's really kicking in here. It's like the rainforest at night. Dang, this wind is Whoa. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. It's a whole tornado. Alright. I'm closing this up. Oh my god. Holy shoot. Dang. Oh my god. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, the minute that wind started picking up, I was like, nope. That wind was getting scary.